Hello everyone, Tacha Ha. Today let's study the usage of ma and na in a sentence. So let's start with the usage of ma. Ma is a question particle that is simply placed at the end of a sentence to form a question. Note, by placing ma at the end of a sentence, we are converting a sentence or a statement into a yes-no question. So the structure is statement plus ma. So now let's look at the examples. Ni Shiwan Cafe. To convert this statement into a question particle ma, we simply need to add ma at the end of a sentence. Ni Shiwan Cafe ma. Do you like coffee? Now let's look at the more of the examples. Nishra Lashrama. Are you a teacher? Ni Shiwan Thama. Do you like him? Please remember, we don't normally add ma to a sentence that is already a question. For example, Ni Shivan Shamama. So Shama is a question particle. Ch Shra Pushra Nida Shuma. So Shra Pushra is also a question particle. Let's see how do we answer the yes no questions. So there are two ways by which we can answer the yes no question. Answer with twe or more casual lang to affirm what is asked, or answer a yes by simply repeating the positive form of a verb, or no by using the negative form of a verb. So now let's look at the examples. Ni Shihan Kafei Ma. The answer is twe or none. The second example is Ni Pu Shihan Kafei Ma. The answer is still the same, twe or none. This would be a bit confusing as we are affirming both the positive and the negative sentences. So now let's look at the example that reuse the verb for a super clear yes or no sentences. Ni Minthian Pulaima. So, as I've already told you, we will reuse the verb over here to affirm these kind of sentences. So, the answer will be lie or pulai. So, the second example is Ni Shihuan Chama. So, the answer is Shihuan or Pu Shihuan. We also sometimes hear that yes in Chinese is shra and no is pushra, but only when the main verb in a question is also shra. If there are other main verb in a question, then that main verb becomes the answer. For example, lai, shi, huan, chu. Now let's look at the another topic, that is the usage of na. The particle na is used to ask reciprocal questions, also known as bounce back questions. It is also used to ask simple questions asking what about or how about. Structure is topic plus na. So now let's look at the examples. First of all, let's look at the small conversation between A and B as an example. A says to B, Ni hao ma, how are you? B replies, Wo han hao Nina, I am good. So Nina is acting as a how about you or what about you? And A replies, Wo ye han hao, I am also good. I hope this small conversation is clear to you all. So now let's look at the more of the examples. Wo sai chia, Nina? I am at home. What about you? Or how about you? The last example is Ni kaka yo kongso. Titi na. So this statement means your big brother or your elder brother have a job. What about your younger brother? We can also ask where with na. This na generally means when a person is asking where someone or something is and they expect that you know what they are talking about and know where that person or thing is. So the structure will be missing person or thing plus na. So now let's look at the examples. Anching na. Where are my glasses? Second example. Wo mama na. Where's my mother? I hope today's topic is clear to you all. Please don't forget to press the like button and hit the bell icon. Share. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box.